Welcome to Crypto Manifester. I'm glad you're here. Today, I want to talk to you about the potential dangers of cryptocurrencies. There are hackers and scammers out there, so I want you to protect yourself. Before I get into that, I have to tell you I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, how do you protect yourself? I suggest you buy a hardware wallet in case the exchanges or your computer or phone gets hacked. It is basically a device where you can store your cryptocurrency securely and safely. It is cold storage because it is offline. I have a Ledger device. There are other companies that have hardware wallets like Trezor. However, I have a Ledger device. You basically send your crypto from the exchange into your wallet, not only because of hacks, but also because there have been cases where exchanges don't allow you to withdraw your funds. So take a look at this. Major crypto broker Voyager Digital suspends all trading, deposits, and withdrawals. So basically, if Voyager Digital go bankrupt, you may lose all your funds. So it's a good idea to have a hardware wallet. Okay, so with a Ledger wallet, you will have a public key and a private key. A public key is sort of like a mailing address so that someone can send the crypto to. A private key is sort of like a password. However, Ledger gives you 24 words as a private key. Make sure it is correctly written down. Write it down using paper and pen. No photos, no screenshots, no storing it on your computer or on your phone, no storing it in a cloud. Just paper and pen. Never share your private key with anyone. If someone asks you for your private key, they are trying to steal your crypto. They are a scammer and you need to stay away from them. Don't lose your private key. If you lose your private key, you won't be able to access your crypto if you lose or damage your device. Your crypto will be lost forever if you don't have that private key. The private key is recorded on the blockchain, so no one but you have access to the private key. Put everything in a safety deposit box. Ideally, you want to have 2 safety deposit boxes in 2 different locations. The first 12 words go into one deposit box. The other 12 words go into the second deposit box. In case one box gets broken into, they can't access your funds. If you buy a wallet, always buy it from the manufacturer directly. Don't buy it from Amazon or eBay or a third party. There have been cases where people buy from Amazon and eBay and they lose their cryptos. These scammers tamper with the device, and when you send your crypto to the wallet, they steal it. Always buy from the manufacturers directly. The next thing I want to talk to you about is that when you send your crypto to a wallet or to an exchange or anywhere else, make sure it is the correct address. Because if it's not the correct address, you will lose everything. You won't be able to get it back. So when you first send out a small amount to make sure it works. Better to lose a small amount of money than to lose a big chunk of your money. Be aware of phishing attempts. Okay, so what are phishing attempts? Okay, so phishing attacks are the practice of sending out fraudulent communications that appear to come from a reputable source. It is usually performed through email. Okay, it can also occur through a text message, so never click on any link. Sometimes they will send you an email or a text message that looks like it's from an exchange that you use, and they put a link on it. Never click on it. Go to the website directly. Send them an email if you need assistance or have an inquiry about the email you received. Another thing to be careful of is gas fees. And what are gas fees? Let's go over to this website. Gas refers to the fee or pricing value required to successfully conduct a transaction or execute a contract on the Ethereum blockchain platform. Priced in small amounts of the cryptocurrency Ether, commonly referred to as GUI and sometimes also called nano ETH, The gas is used to allocate resources of the Ethereum virtual machine so that decentralized applications such as smart contracts can self-execute in a secured but decentralized fashion. Basically, gas fees are fees that is charged when you send out to an exchange or to a wallet. For Ethereum, it can be very expensive depending on how busy it is. If it is very busy, then it is very expensive. One time I wanted to send out $100 crypto and they wanted to charge me $1,900 in gas fees. So I declined. I waited for when it was less busy and sent it out for $20. Sometimes the gas fees can be below $1, but you may have to wait for it. There are other cryptos where the gas fees are so much cheaper than Ethereum, like Polygon or VeChain. Please click on the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. It would really help me out. Thank you.